Hello everyone. Planning a trip and looking for the best deals on hotels? Well, we have got you covered. Today we are sharing the top 5 websites to book hotels at cheap prices, so let's dive in. First up we have Booking.com. This website is a classic, and for good reason. You will find great discounts, free cancellations on many hotels, and user reviews to help you pick the best place. Next is Expedia. This site not only lets you book hotels, but you can also bundle your flights and car rentals for extra savings, plus they offer rewards points for future bookings. Third is Trivago. It's a hotel comparison site, so you can easily compare prices from different booking platforms all in one place. It's perfect for finding the best deal. Another great one is Hotels.com. You earn rewards with every stay. After 10 nights you get 1 night free, so it's a win-win for frequent travelers. And last but not least, Airbnb is not just for homes. You can find great budget-friendly options for hotels or private rooms as well. It's super flexible and often cheaper than traditional hotels. So there you have it. These websites are perfect for finding cheap hotel prices and saving some cash for your adventures. Let us know in the comments if you have used any of these, or if you have a favorite one we did not mention. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips. See you next time.